Hello guys, welcome back to my page once again. So last time I talked about fundamentals in cybersecurity and I ended it there. So today I really want to talk about something. So for you to go and learn cybersecurity, because I've seen so many adverts, people are telling you to come and learn under 3 weeks, under 2 months, you will get certified. No, that might be a mistake, because you might not, when you go into that immediately, you might not know some certain terminology. So I would advise you to go and learn how to code. Yes, if you go online, there are so many courses like where you can learn how to code. I'm not saying that you will waste so much time in coding. At least you know the basic terminologies. Yeah, it's just like when we are in secondary school, when they are teaching all this HCF, common factor and factorization and all that, we are not paying attention. But when they started teaching quadratic equation, exponential equation, we were lost. You don't even know where to find S or 2S or Y. So all those things, it's just because you're not paying attention at the initial. So that is the same thing that will happen to you if you rush into cybersecurity, if you go and pay them to start it, because the person that's going to teach you, he might not go back and start teaching you coding. No, he must have expected that you know some one or two terminologies there. So that's why I say go online. You can search on a free code camp. Search free code camp on Google. You will see some courses that you can do there absolutely free. Learn how to code, the terminologies and all that. So you can there's another one, codewithme.com. If you go to codewithme.com, you will see free coding, the videos, so many videos of free coding, the little terminology that you need to know. That's when you know the variables, the loops, the dedicate loops and integers and all that. So many distinct objects and logic problems, so at least you get a little bit of knowledge on it. By the time you do it 3 weeks to 1 month, then you now know that you have arrived. Then you can also use your phone. For those that doesn't have laptop, you can use your phone to watch all these videos online, but at the same time, at the end of the day, you need a laptop. Seriously, there's no way you can go into tech without a laptop. You need a laptop, and we know that laptops are costly this time around. Laptops are costly this time around, so you can actually get a smaller laptop to start. As a startup, when you don't have money, you can start. Because like me, I started with this. Let's keep it. I started with this this particular laptop, this HP. So I started with this HP. It's HP Pavilion. It's Pavilion. So G6 Pavilion. So that time I think I bought it, was it 80 or 100,000? So, and I've been using it, though it's 2 gig RAM, it's quite slow, but when I was starting out, I was using it to learn little things online, how to do edits, how to do little coding, how to even my HTML lessons. I use this laptop. It really helped me, and it's still here. So, but as time goes by, you're gonna have to get a stronger laptop if you're going into cybersecurity, or if you're going into coding, becoming a programmer, or even data analysis, all the stronger courses. You must have a very good laptop, and that is where this one comes in. This is HP. This is HP Envy S360. HP Envy S360. Yes, it's 8th generation. I bought it from Amazon. So and they ship it to here. That is what I'm using now. It's very okay. It's a laptop that I love so much. It can do most of the things. Yes, see it here. It can do most of the things. HP Envy. Yes, it's convertible. It's screen touch. It has you can rotate it. So guys, when you must have gotten all these things, you have your laptops, you must have done like 3 weeks training on coding and all that, and have the knowledge. That is when you can now meet a cybersecurity analyst, or you can go to any organizations to learn the fundamentals and other things. At least when you go there, when they are talking about variable loops, some commands and all that, it will not be like a magic to you. You must have known those terminologies, so plus other things. So as time goes by, I'll be updating you guys. If this is first time you are seeing my channel, make sure that you click follow. You'll be getting more and more information from here. Have a wonderful day. Bye.